Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to add these fog lights in on a GMC Sierra 1500. I really couldn't find any videos that showed this model with these. I've seen I think one with AT4, but they're a little different, so I'm going to go through it. But this is what they look like when they're in there, and we're going to go to the other side that's not in there yet. Okay, here's the other side, and I kind of have it popped a little loose just to show you, but I use one of these little plastic things, and on these they're actually in there pretty good, so when you pry them, I actually had my hand inside to push and give it a little pressure, but you see it's got these little tabs on it, and I'll kind of show you on the ground where they're at. So there's two up top, one on the upper side, one on the lower side, and then the bottom, and then that's kind of what it looks like when it's out. So all you have to do is take out three of these, I don't know if it'll focus enough, three of these hex bits, and they're in this carpet. So there's one right there, and then there's another one right there, and then I take an upper one up. I probably can't get it on video, and then this will just pull out and give you access into there. So that's how you get to that point. Now I'm going to show you the light. So this is what the kit comes with. I think my kit must have been somebody returned, because I found out just by testing the relay, power will go into the relay, but no power comes out. I was able just to manually wire the lights and they power on, so I let the eBay seller know, so waiting to hear back from him. But it's pretty simple. They just plug and play, and then you just have your power and ground. The cool thing about these is they have the yellow light that you tap into your blinkers with, and these can also be blinker you know, all on there too, which I don't know if I go that far. It might be kind of cool, but we'll see. I might test one of those. But here's the other piece that it comes with, and you see it's got the same tabs. You just want to be careful. They kind of go in like this, but then you just kind of slide it to one direction, so you don't break those tabs. But the other dilemma I found is there are three holes, and the problem with that is inside here, I don't know if you can see the top one, but right up here, it should have clips to where when you screw them in, it would come with little clips, so the screw just screws in one way. The problem is these don't come defaulted with fog lights, so they don't have those clips in there, and I'm just using a couple washers and then a nut, and so I shove it through one hole and then I tighten it from the other side. Seems to work okay. If you get those clips, it'll be a lot easier, because then you just screw straight in like this, and you don't have to have your hands all awkward in there. But from all the videos I saw, people said you probably had to take the bumper off. No, you don't have to do any of that. You just take those 3 bolts out. So just kind of wanted to give you a rundown. Thanks for watching.